Hi guys, my name is Pushpendra and today once again I came with the new video with the new technology which is Unity3d. In this tutorial we are going to explain you how you can adjust view according to the screen. It doesn't matter it is iOS screen, it is your desktop screen, or it is WebGL, or it is Android, whatever it is. I will tell you in a very simple way how you can adjust multiple views into the same screen with the perfect viewing by the user. Here I will explain you the that you can see we will achieve the same task here. Here I have two buttons, one view inside outside the button and one is main view. So I will change that screen resolution. You can see two buttons with the same things, same hierarchy. Here also you can see, here also you can see. So we will do this thing into the perfect manner. How you can define, how you can view the view. If you are a beginner for Unity 3D, then definitely you require this video to watch up to the end, how you can achieve your particular task, how you can achieve your goals. Because beginner face this kind of problem in their development. So I hope you will watch this video up to the end. Guys, in this video, we will achieve this task. We will make our screen on the dependent to the every screen resolution, something like that. So let's start with that and how we can achieve that. Let's see. Right now I'm deleting that, and this is my fresh view. I'm also deleting this one. Now this is our fresh view. From here we will create first of all UI panel. Here you can see this is the panel, and this will cover itself all the screen, so you don't need to do anything with that. Now inside the panel we will create one image, and I will give that name game selection. Now I will set the constraint to this. Now you can see this will contain the whole the screen. So now we can change the background color to of this one. Now you can see background color. Now inside that I will take one more image view. I will stretch that. I will change the color of this one. This one is okay. Yeah, let it be like that. See, this is the constraint. We have to stretch these constraints to the up to the end. First of all we will take to 0. It is in the center of the screen. Now it's time to stretch the constraint. And let's say here 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So now you can see it has been set to the center. If you will change the screen resolution, it will be to the center always. That's cool. Now let's move to another task. We will take two buttons inside that image. I'm taking text mesh pro. I have two buttons right now. give height 50, and I will set from here to here, we can say something like 50 from both side, 50 from right, 50 from left, and 50 from top. Same for this one. Fifty, 50. Now we will bring both view into the center of the screen. School. 50 and 50. So here you can see both buttons into the center of the screen. Now if you will change the screen, then there will be something like that. So you can see your button is changing on the basis of the screen. So if you want to do more work for this button, then take the constraint of the button to the stretch view, same from the right side, same from the left side, and same for button 1. I will set the 0 0 0 0 0 0. Same for button 0 0 0 0 0. It will give the more expected output. So guys, I hope you understand that complete video and you understand how you can adjust your view on the basis of a particular screen, on the basis of resolution of the screen. I hope it's very clear to you. If you will run, then you can see the output same here. So guys, thank you for watching that video. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel for the upcoming video so you will be updated for that.